Hello guys, today we will be solving the 7th problem from my LeetCoding challenge. The problem's name is cousins in binary tree. In a binary tree, the root node is at depth 0, and the children of each depth k node are at depth k plus 1. Two nodes of a binary tree are cousins if they have the same depth but have different parents. We are given the root of a binary tree with unique values, and the values x and y of two different nodes in the tree. Return true if and only if the nodes corresponding to the values x and y are cousins. And we have 3 examples here. Let's look at them. The first example, we have this kind of tree, and we are given a root and 2 nodes, 4 and 3. And we have to return true if and only if they are cousins. So it's obvious that they have different depths. That's why the answer is false. Let's look at the second example. In the second example, we have this tree, and we have 5 and 4 as the given nodes. So the depths of these 2 nodes are equal to 2, and they have different parents because the parent of 4 is 2 and the parent of 5 is 3. That's why the answer is true. Let's look at the third example. We have this kind of tree here, and we are given nodes 2 and 3. So they are at the same depths, but they have a common parent, which is 1. That's why the answer is false. Okay, so the number of nodes in the tree will be between 2 and 100, and each node has a unique integer value from 1 to 100. So I think that's an interesting problem. It's way harder than the problems which were at the days before. That's why let's try to solve this problem also. It's pretty interesting. So what will I do? Let's say we will have 4 variables. Depth x, depth y, parent x, and parent y. And let's say that we have a helper function that defines these 4 values. So I will call it DFS because I'm going to do a DFS here. And what will I pass on my DFS? I'll pass a root node, I'll pass current depths, and I'll pass parent. So the root node has not parent, that's why I'm passing -1 as a parent. And I'll pass these 4 values here. Depths of x, depths of y, parent of x, and parent of y. And let's try to implement this function. So I'll implement this function here because I want to make this function private. It would be void. It will accept tree node. It will give depths also and parent, and will give 4 integers by reference. Depths of x, depths of y by reference also, parent of x, and parent of y. So what will we do? We will see if node value val equals to x. Okay, we have to pass x and y also, and here also. If the node value equals to x, then we know that depths of x equals to current depths, and parent of x equals to parent. And the same thing we'll do for y. If the node's value equals to y, then we know that depths of y equals to depths, and parent of y equals to parent. Okay, so, and we'll see if node left not equals to null pointer, we'll start our DFS on this left node. Left with the depths greater than 1 and parent as node value. And we'll also pass all of this, like depths x, depths y, parent x, parent y, x and y. And we'll do the same thing for the right node. And I think that's it. Let's try to run this code, make sure that it works. Okay, it doesn't work, and we have error at line 42 because we are not returning anything. Yes, after we find the depths of these two nodes and parents of these two nodes, we have to check, are they cousins or not? So basically we have to return that depths of x equals to depths of y, and parent of x should not be equal to parent of y. Let's try to run this code one more time. Cool, finished. And seems that it works for this test case. Let's try to submit it. Cool, it got accepted. So I think that's it for this problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I hope to see you in the next videos.